Let's take a look at the next example for Chapter 6, Worksheet 3, Page 3, Question 2D. We want to simplify 4 over c squared plus 2c minus 3 minus 1 over c squared minus 5c plus 4. So to subtract the algebraic fraction, we follow the 5 steps. First, we need to factorize the denominators. Let us check the denominator for these fractions. Notice that the first fraction has a denominator c squared plus 2c minus 3, which is a quadratic expression. To factorize this, we need to use the frame method. Let us factorize c squared plus 2c minus 3. So first, let us find the factors for c squared. And we know that c times c gives you c squared. Next, we need to find the factors for the constant, negative 3. We know that 3 times negative 1 will give us negative 3. Now, let us multiply all the terms for these factors. So, 3 times c gives you 3c. c times negative 1 gives you negative c. Next, let us check if we add these two terms together, it must give us the same as the middle term, which is positive 2c. So therefore, let us check. 3c minus c does give us 2c. So therefore, we have factorized c squared plus 2c minus 3 correctly. And we will get denominator for the first fraction is, the first factor is c minus 1. Okay. The second factor is c plus 3. Now we want to minus the second fraction, and we notice that the denominator for the second fraction can also be factorized using the multiplication frame. So therefore, let us find the factors of c squared. C times c gives us c squared, and the constant, which is 4. Let's try negative 4 times 1. Negative 1 will give us positive 4. Now let us multiply the terms together. Negative 4 times c gives you negative 4c. c times negative 1 gives you negative c. Next, let us check that when we add these two terms together, it should give us the middle term, which is negative 5c. So, negative 4c minus c does give us negative 5c. Hence, we have factorized this correctly. So therefore, for a second fraction, we have 1 over the denominator in a factorized form would be c minus 1 bracket multiplied by c minus 4. Now let us compare the denominator for these two fractions. Realize that the only common factor that we have is c minus 1. Since we know that for step 2, we need to make the denominator the same, alright, we know that we need to multiply to the first fraction c minus 4. We will do the same for the numerator. And for the second fraction, we need to multiply by c plus 3, such that the denominator for first and the second fraction will be common. So we will get 4 multiplied by c minus 4 over c minus 1 multiplied by c plus 3 multiplied by c minus 4 and minus second fraction, which is 1 multiplied by c plus 3, and the denominator will be c minus 1 times c minus 4 times c plus 3. Step, we can simplify and change the numerators. So therefore, we will get 4c minus 16, and we expand over c minus 1 times c plus 3 times c minus 4 minus, we expand the numerator for the second fraction, we get c plus 3 over c minus 1 times c minus 4 times c plus 3. Next, step 4, since the denominator is the same, we can combine the fractions as single fraction. And please use brackets for the numerator. So therefore, you will get for the numerator 4c minus 16, we want to minus everything in the second numerator, c plus 3 over the denominator would be c minus 1 times c plus 3 times c minus 4. And finally, we can simplify single fraction. Please ensure that both numerator and denominator are in a factorized form for the final answer. So you will get then 4c minus 16 minus c minus 3 over c minus 1 times c plus 3 times c minus 4. Now, we realize that for the numerator, there are some like terms that we can simplify. 4c minus 6. And this will give us 3c. Whereas negative 16 minus 3, this will give us negative 19. So therefore, 3c minus 19 over c minus 1 times c plus 3 times c minus 4. Hence, this is how we add or minus two fractions together.